Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to deal with flight delays on Condor Airlines. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Condor Airlines account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Condor? It's pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In the browser, type condor.com. That's going to take you to the official website. Once again, to the website, check the top right corner of your screen and click on the My Condor tab and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. So now that we're here, let's learn how to deal with flight delays on Condor Airlines. According to the EU Regulation 261/2004, you as a passenger are entitled to certain forms of care provided by the airline in the case of departure delays compared to the planned departure time that can be reasonably expected. Delays of 4 hours or more in the case of flights covering a distance of more than 3,500 kilometers. Delays of 3 hours or more in the case of flights covering a distance of between 1,500 and 3,500 kilometers, and flights of more than 1,500 kilometers within the EU. Delays of 2 hours or more in the case of flights covering a distance of up to 1,500 kilometers. In such cases of delays, the care provided for you are as follows, or is as follows. Meals and refreshment in reasonably proportion to the waiting time. Hotel accommodation with a possible transfer when necessary. The chance to make 2 phone calls or send 2 telex messages, faxes, or emails. Care must not be provided if it results in further delays to your departure. Now, for delays of more than 5 hours, you're entitled to withdraw from your flight and claim reimbursement of the cost of your flight ticket and for any part of the journey not made, or to assert further rights pursuant to Article 8, Paragraph 1A of the EU Regulation 261/2004. In order for you to do so, you must be able to provide clear evidence that you are unable to pursue the original purpose of your journey. In the case of package trips, the terms and conditions of the Directive on Package Travel, Package Holidays, and Package Tours apply. This means that you may incur extremely high cancellation costs in the case of withdrawal from your flight. So this is how you can be compensated for that. In the case of delays of 3 hours or more, you're entitled to claim compensation in the form of a cash payment, check, bank transfer, or with your consent, in the form of a voucher in accordance with judgment of the European Court of Justice. So the compensation amount depends on the distance of the planned flight routes. So you have 250 euros for flights covering a distance of up to 1,500 kilometers, 400 euros for flights covering a distance of between 1,005 and 3,005 kilometers, or more than 1,005 kilometers in the case of flights within the EU, and 600 euros for flights covering a distance of more than 3,500 kilometers. You are not entitled to any compensation payment if the delay is due to extraordinary circumstances. Having known what you're entitled to in case of delayed flight, I'd like you to head over to the customer support button right here. So from your Condor website account, click on that. And once you click on that, you're going to have to contact the customer support and let them know that your flight was delayed, or your flight was delayed. So that's here. So you can contact them here via the number or WhatsApp, or you can use the contact form. Let them know that your flight was delayed, and also let them know that you know fully well the rights that you're entitled to as a passenger, just as we have read in the document that we just, followed through with. So this is pretty much the process. This is how we can deal with flight delays on Condor Airlines. Now I can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.